today. So let's play the game. So this player not so good right now. Oh, you're going to lose. Okay. No, we're not going to lose. We're not going to lose. So I'm super brave in this videos, okay? I don't know, I'm actually brave. Do you like my videos now? I don't know. So let's go here. Comment on this video if you like my videos and you're a subscriber. Please do that if you're a subscriber. Then I have to shout out to you, okay? Like the other video I do with the other comment. So I'm going to do that with you. Comment on this video. So I lose it. Not a round, okay? And that was cool to see that. Like, actually, that's cool. I lose this round. I going to end the video. So I want to end the video so badly. I want to actually. So I'm going to lose totally. Actually, guys. So guys, this video is super cool, and this video I don't know if you like my videos, so thanks for watching. See you next time.